Hello everyone, welcome to VR Kitchen. Hope you are all doing great. Today I am going to make another tasty vegetarian dish using eggplants and potatoes as the main ingredients. You will find all the ingredients listed down in the description. So let's get cooking. We are going to cut the eggplant, potatoes and onions first. Then I am going to cut the tomatoes into small pieces. Now it is time to chop the garlic and ginger and make it as a paste. Heat the pan and add 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is properly heated, put the potato pieces into the pan and fry them until their color turns into light brown. Once potato pieces are fried, take them out in a plate and set aside. Into the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds into the pan. Allow the seeds to splutter on medium-low heat or until they become fragrant. Now I am going to add the dried red chilli into the pan. It adds a nice smoky flavor to the curry. Now it is time to fry the sliced onion. Stir on medium heat until they are tender and pale in color. After about 2 minutes, onions are soft and tender. I am adding ginger and garlic paste now. Stir it for a bit. Then I am going to add curry leaves, pandan leaves and green chillies. After about 1 minute, I am adding sliced tomatoes. Stir the mix for about 2 minutes. Now I am adding all the spices. Stir the mixture well. I am adding eggplant and potatoes. Mix everything together. Add 1 cup of water. Close the lid and cook on medium to high heat for about 10 minutes. Now it's been about 10 minutes and I have been stirring the curry randomly to make sure nothing is sticking at the bottom of the pan. I think I need to add more water, so I am adding another half a cup of water. I will close the lid and cook this for about 5 minutes. Looks like our potatoes and eggplants are nicely cooked and I have the right amount of gravy too. At this stage you can taste your curry and add salt if you want. I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. And that's it everyone. Our curry is ready and you can serve this with rice, bread or roti. It is very delicious. You can follow this recipe and comment below and let me know what you think of it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care everyone. Bye.